What do you think are the possible benefits of micro-CHP to achieve decarbonisation objectives?
Yeah, well, if we consider carbon, so in terms of CO2 savings, a micro-CHP system can save something like up to 2 tons of carbon, per single family home. So in that environment, in that setting, you're looking at houses which still around Europe, many of them having low efficiency, standard efficiency boilers, and if you replace those which are already on the gas network with something else that sits on the gas network, then you're into potentially a couple of 100 million tons of CO2 savings per year. So it's quite a big contributor, really. Yeah.
And how can micro-CHP be integrated with other distributed energy solutions?
Yeah, well, we've seen that happening on different levels, sort of in building and also within the wider network. So we've looked at trials and worked with utilities who've undertaken trials looking at how, for example, a heat pump and a micro-CHP system can be integrated onto their network and bring them benefits. And that's really helping in terms of renewables and the integration of renewables when renewables can be intermittent or are intermittent. And sometimes when the wind is not blowing and you're relying on that wind for electricity, you need another source. And micro-CHP is flexible, it's dispatchable, so you can, at those times, you can switch on that micro-CHP to supplement the energy that you're not getting from, say, renewables, be it wind or be it solar. Yeah.
And give us a quick overview of the PACE program.
Yeah, PACE is a great program. We've had some good investment from the European Commission through the FCHJU. They've supported strongly, and we industry as well have played our part. So you're looking at a 90 million euro program. 34 million of that is coming from industry, and within that we've got half a dozen manufacturers who are all contributing a lot of time and effort and product into seeing how we can really develop a market, a commercial market for fuel cell for residential heating. So it's a great program. We're looking to install around 2,500 systems or in excess of that, and we're looking to deploy in several countries across Europe, and that's in quite a tight timescale to around the end of the decade. So we will also, within that program, we will look closely at how the systems perform, because we look to systems which now have been demonstrated and have been reliable and successful in achieving the CO2 goals, but we're looking at systems that we want to take also to the next generation, so that's a key part of PACE. In addition to that, we want to deploy the sort of network that you need to sell and to service, to actually get those installers on board and get them really understanding the technology, what it can do for their business, as well as what it can do for their customers. So it's quite a wide-ranging program. In a nutshell, I've covered some key parts of it, and we're quite excited about it.